Engine Borescope inspection. We will now see a presentation of the Boroscope equipment. First of all, a rotator kit is installed on the cranking pad near the starter for manual drive of the HP rotor. Then, to inspect the affected sections, the corresponding Boroscope port covers have to be removed. Here are the Boroscope port covers removed from the HP compressor, Stage 3, Stage 4, Stage 7 and 8, Stage 9 and 10, Stage 11 and 12, and the HP turbine, Stage 1 and 2, Stage 2, and LP turbine. The Boroscope inspection requires skill and competence. When inserting the Boroscope probe, we can examine the blades. And by turning the compressor, we can detect if there are some cracks, nicks, or tip damages. Here, the operator is inspecting the HP turbine first stage vanes through an igniter port. And here we can see the leading edge of the HP turbine first stage blades. In fact, it is through this unit and an optic fiber that the pictures can be picked up and transmitted.